What is going on, everybody? Dan Unfiltered checking out Left to Suffer. That's a good band name. That's a good one. Event. This comes from Zach, a Patreon. Appreciate you, homie. If you guys have any requests, hit me up. Let's check this out. Left to Suffer. That's a good one, man. I like ones that make you, paint a little picture for you. 3 words, Left to Suffer. It's like, god damn. That's why I always loved As I Lay Dying. Fantastic band name. This one is similar. Left to Suffer. Yeah, that's a good name. They wasted no time. That is nasty. The drums and guitar riff going together and an added, deeper bass effect on it. Woo! That's nasty. That's nasty. Ooh. Fuck. Do you know what it feels like to be dead inside? To feel nothing? So far, these guys are living up to basically exactly their band name. You can't be left to suffer and be... You can't sound like Theory of a Dead Man. Decent little band, but you can't sound like that when you're called Left to Suffer. I need some Smash Mouth, some and not the band, but some knees to the head type of shit. Woo. I do. Yeah. Yes. Woo. Ugh. That little pocket the drummer got in, that was nasty. Uh-oh.
Goodbye.
I didn't buy it. I didn't buy it when it sounds like... Uh-oh. Because this feels like a perfect time to bring it back. heavy. Because if it would have just ended there, goodbye, and that's just the end of the song, very possible. Very possible, actually. But no, I was like, please bring it back. I didn't trust it, did not trust it, and I was right. It came back pretty nasty, too.
Goodbye.
Oh, fuck. God damn. Okay. That was an absolute banger. There is no debate about that one. Holy shit. A lot of times when a song is heavy, I'm like, this song is craving and begging for some clean vocal. This was not one of those songs. About a quarter of the way through, I'm like, I don't think I even want any clean, like a clean vocal bridge or anything in this one. This one, the whole cadence of the song wasn't asking for any clean vocals. You knew what you were about, what you got yourself fucking into about a third of the way through. Buckle the fuck up or be left to suffer. Jesus Christ. Multiple moments in that song. And I love songs with moments. You like when it's like gut wrenching. Let's go. Let's go. Left to suffer. That was much better than I expected, to be honest with you. Whew. Kind of out of breath, actually. I need to do some more cardio, I think. Maybe eat better. Because Jesus Christ. And are there two singers here? Because like when the song first starts, there's like two voices kind of overlapping. And that kind of worried me at first. I was like, uh-oh. Are we going to have like a mixing issue here? Like sometimes when you have multiple voices going on at once, they collide. And they were colliding in the first like, what 10, 20 seconds? Where it was like, in not a good way. Like, oh shit. Maybe the mixer doesn't have them correct. As soon as it drops, there was not a single problem for the rest of the song. Absolutely mixed beautifully, which is not easy for how heavy the drums and guitar went together the whole way. It's not, sometimes a vocalist can get kind of like just ran over by the instrumental. Oh no! This gentleman was not getting run over by shit. That was awesome. Left to suffer. I don't know how big this band is. I have no idea. I've never heard of them. But this, in my opinion, this should probably have a music video if I was them. It's hard to imagine a band that's not huge. Again, I'm assuming that they have songs on whatever album this came off of that are better than this. Like, that's a damn good song. Like, that one, that's one where I almost want to see a video of people colliding with each other. You know what I'm saying? That's a mosh pit video. Because that's a song, see? Not many songs. People mosh to everything now. And it's very upsetting. Like, it's extremely upsetting. Like, you see clips of, like Nickelback concerts or Stained. I actually really like Stained. But still, Stained is not something you should mosh pit to. Even like their heavier shit like Mud Shovel, it's still not something you should really mosh pit to. Headbang, cool. Mosh pit? I don't think so. I don't think so. And Mud Shovel's actually pretty heavy, but still no. But this one, oh shit. This is an absolute, I almost want this in a small venue, like what only holds about 200-300 people. So then it's like shoulder to shoulder the entire way. Nuts to butts the entire way. And just when that drops, the whole fucking place, once the walls just want to collapse. That's what I need. That's what I need from a song like that. Hit like, Zach, that was awesome. And if you are still here, then you are a real one. I'm about to re-listen to this. See, I don't drink coffee. This is my coffee in the morning. This is my caffeine. Let's fucking go.